You won't believe how a daily dose of rice kanji can transform your gut health in just 1 week. Hey there, foodies! Today I'm excited to share with you a delicious recipe that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also boosts your gut health significantly. Get ready to learn how rice kanji can revolutionize your overall well-being. Let's kick things off by diving into the world of traditional Indian probiotic drinks. Rice kanji, a fermented beverage, has been cherished for centuries for its incredible health benefits. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity, this powerhouse drink has a lot to offer. Now let's address a common issue many of us face: gut health struggles. With the rise of processed foods and hectic lifestyles, maintaining a healthy gut microbiome has become a challenge. However, the good news is that incorporating probiotic-rich foods like rice kanji can work wonders for our digestive system. To make your own batch of gut-loving rice kanji, all you need are a few simple ingredients and a bit of patience for the fermentation process. The magic happens when the rice undergoes fermentation, allowing beneficial bacteria to flourish and enhance its probiotic properties. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve your gut health naturally. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, let's prepare some lip-smacking rice kanji together. Follow along as I guide you through the step-by-step process, from soaking the rice to infusing it with flavorful spices. Get ready to indulge in the unique taste profile of this probiotic elixir that will leave your gut happy and your taste buds craving for more. In a nutshell, incorporating rice kanji into your diet can lead to a happier gut and a healthier you. Regular consumption of this probiotic drink can aid in better digestion, strengthen your immune system, and promote overall well-being. So why not give it a try and experience the positive impact it can have on your gut health? I encourage you to roll up your sleeves, try making rice kanji at home, and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gut-friendly recipes and tips on improving your digestive health. Cheers to a happy gut and a vibrant life!